Are you getting this error message in your LG TV? If yes, then watch this video till then because I am going to give you the best solution. The first step is to restart your TV and see whether restarting your TV is resolving this issue or not. Also try to connect or change your Wi-Fi connection. So for this you need to go to the network of your TV and go to the network settings option. Open this network setting option. From here you can start your network connection, or you can change it to manually as well. You can connect your network to manually as well. So there is an option to connect your manually. The network option are also showing. You can go to manual setup as well and try to change your network connection. So now you need to change the time and location. Go to the general option. From here you can change the location first. You need to select your country. I am from India, so I have selected India. Make sure to select your correct country from whichever country you are. After that you need to go to time, date and time. There's an option you can see, and you need to click on set automatically as per your country time. It will be set automatically as per your country. Test with hotspot as well, because sometime hotspot also solve this issue. So again, go to the network. You can see Wi-Fi direct option is showing here. Just tap on this once and you need to select your mobile phone. Mobile phones, you can turn on hotspot or Wi-Fi direct from your mobile phone, and you need to connect your TV to your mobile phone because internet sometimes cause this issue. Make sure to update the software of your TVs. You can go to the journal and you can scroll down. You can click on about this TV and you can see software update option is showing here. Just tap on this and it will automatically update the software to your latest version. So if nothing works, you can reset your TV to the initial settings. You can see there's an option of reset to initial setting. So this option you should use at last if nothing works, because it will reset all the settings in your TV. And after resetting your TV, you need to restart your TV and see whether this issue get resolved or not. In case you still face any problem, you can mention it in the comment section. I'll make sure to give a reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.